Kia ora koutou, whānau tā whakaahua. I love the RØDE Wireless Go. I've had a couple of copies of it since it was released in 2019. I love the performance, I love the reliability, I love the connectivity, I love the sound that comes from it, I love the portability, I love the battery life. I pretty much love everything about it. Now back in 2019 I said there were 3 or 4 things that could be done to the RØDE Wireless Go to make it even better on the next release, and you know what? 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Okay, so the RØDE Wireless Go 2 has now been released, and back in the video I made in 2019 I had a few suggestions. The first one was to have multiple transmitters. Now the latest RØDE Wireless Go has been released, and guess what? It's got 2 transmitters. Now it can be recorded in merged mode or split channel mode, where you can record to left and right channels and merge it afterwards. That's up to you. So that's fantastic. I mean, you could record merged channel, but you also have the ability to still have the onboard recording. So if the merged channel is not great, you can go to the individual files. What would be great to also see is the ability to pair additional transmitters to the receiver. But at this stage, 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, it's a big step up. It's going to increase the flexibility for creators. Really well done, RØDE. Okay, the other thing I thought was going to be great to see would be onboard recording in the transmitters. Now, I had suggested a micro SD card, but in fact, it's internal memory. It's available on each transmitter. You can record up to 20 hours compressed audio or up to 7 hours uncompressed. 7 hours uncompressed is heaps. So when I get the device, I'll always be recording uncompressed. But this is a great step up as well. And when you consider the fact that the wireless range has been greatly extended from about 70 meters right out to 200 meters, it actually doesn't matter because you've got the onboard recording on the transmitter itself. So if you get beyond that range, or you get dropouts, or you get some other interference with the audio coming back onto your camera, it's no big deal because you've got the onboard recording. Plug it into your computer, export the audio, you're good to go. There's a fly in here somewhere. What the hell? Okay, and the third thing I had suggested was have a microphone on the receiver so you could call back the audio source from the transmitters to the receiver if you wanted to record some audio close to the camera. Now that hasn't been done in this case, but hey, I reckon it still can be done. I reckon it still would be a bonus if that was done in the next release of the RØDE Wireless Go 3. Another thing I had suggested was to have onboard lights on the receiver. If I had LEDs on those lights just blinking at me now, firstly I'd know the battery is still in play, and secondly I might be able to get an indication of the levels. Fortunately right now I can look on the camera screen and I can see the audio levels, so it's not really a big deal. The other thing with the RØDE Wireless Go 2 is you do have a safety channel, which is going to be recording at 20 decibels lower than what you're recording. So on the occasions that you do clip, you do have that safety channel recording you can go back to and recover your audio. The thing I really like about the onboard audio recording on the transmitters is that you can set your levels on the camera, and then you can set your levels different on the transmitter, as well as having the safety channel. So you've always got the ability, if you blow your audio out or something fails on the camera, or as what happens to me sometimes, you plug the cable into the headphone jack instead of the mic jack, it doesn't matter, you don't have to re-record, you've still got a backup file of the audio. Now I know there's lots of videos on YouTube at the moment with people who've actually got the devices, but we've not got them out here in New Zealand yet. I'll be picking one up when we do, but for now, I'm happy with the RØDE Wireless Go 1. The thing is that the RØDE Wireless Go 2 is going to be priced at $299 USD. In New Zealand, it's going to be $600, whereas the RØDE Wireless Go 1 is now $310. So it is nearly twice the price for not really twice the equipment, but there is quite a bit of added value with this, not least of all the onboard recording, as mentioned, the 2 transmitters, but also the RØDE Central app on your computer where you can go and see your recorded files, adjust your settings, export your recorded files, all that sort of great stuff. So I think it's probably a reasonable price here in New Zealand at $600. And one last thing as well about the RØDE Wireless Go 2 is they have improved the dead cat spider. Now the fact is, the upgraded RØDE Wireless Go windshield was vastly improved over the initial version that came out, but the new version on the RØDE Wireless Go looks even better. It twists and locks. It's going to be secure as or anything. Well done, RØDE, for that as well. All in all, that's it. I was just checking in to say I was really stoked to see 2 of the 3 suggestions I had to improve the RØDE Wireless Go have now been implemented in the latest iteration of the device. That's great news. I still think a microphone on the receiver itself could be a bit of a bonus. I also like the additional things like the USB-C connectivity, which enables you to connect to a variety of mobile devices. You can also get the USB-C to Lightning cable, so you can record it straight onto your iPhone, really vastly increase your wireless audio capability recording there. So all in all, it's a really cool upgrade from Rode. Really excited to get my hands on it and see what sort of things we can use the dual transmitter for. Check out what the split channel recording is like, see what the merged channel recording is like. But anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. What do you reckon? Are you going to upgrade from the Rode Wireless Go version 1 to the Rode Wireless Go 2? I am. Thanks for watching, as always, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.